If you've ever spent hours on a 3D print only to wish you could easily add a splash of color or deal with a machine that jams or misaligns halfway through, you're not alone. Multicolor 3D printing used to be complicated, expensive, and full of setup headaches. That's changing fast. In this video, we're breaking down 6 of the best multicolor 3D printers you can get right now, whether you're printing cosplay parts, custom home accessories, or detailed miniatures. Some are beginner-friendly and ready to go out of the box, while others bring pro-level results if you're looking to upgrade. Number 1 is a top-rated pick on Amazon with smart features, and number 3 delivers way more than you'd expect at its price. All links and current deals are down in the description. Let's jump in. Number 6. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a great starting point for anyone new to 3D printing who wants multicolor capability without getting buried in tech settings. It's built with simplicity in mind, but still delivers strong performance where it counts. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it gives you plenty of space for everyday projects, whether that's a phone stand, cosplay detail, or replacement kitchen hook. What stands out is the print speed. It reaches up to 600 millimeters per second, backed by fast acceleration, which means quicker results without compromising too much on quality. You also get quick swap nozzles that range from 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters, making it easy to switch between detail work and bulk printing. No tools needed. Features like automatic bed leveling and vibration compensation help smooth out the print process, especially at higher speeds, which is great if you're new and just want clean results without constant tweaks. It also supports multi-printer cloud control, so if you're setting this up in a school or small workshop, managing multiple units is simple. It's ready to go in just 10 minutes, and the dual-channel cooling setup really helps with sharper finishes, especially when printing fast. On the downside, the open frame design means it's not the best choice for printing with ABS or other materials that need a stable temperature. And while it can handle multicolor prints, you'll need third-party solutions to go beyond basic 4-color jobs. The Adventurer 5M is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or educators who want an affordable, easy-to-use printer that doesn't skimp on speed or quality. A smart entry-level option with just enough power to get creative. If you want more precision and deeper multicolor capability, the next one brings serious upgrades. Number 5. Prusa MK4 with MAMU3. The Prusa MK4 paired with the MAMU3 is a serious upgrade for anyone who values print quality, flexibility, and a machine that just keeps working. Prusa has a strong reputation for reliability, and this combo delivers on that promise. The MK4's build volume of 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters is a sweet spot, large enough for functional prints like brackets or enclosures, but still compact enough to fit on most desks. With the Multi-Material Unit 3, or MAMU3, you can load up to 5 different filaments at once, and it automatically swaps between them mid-print. Whether you're working on detailed props or multicolor prototypes, this feature alone adds a lot of creative freedom. Its direct-drive extruder, paired with a dual-gear system, offers stable and consistent extrusion, especially important when working with flexible filaments or composite materials like carbon fiber. Advanced features like automatic mesh bed leveling and input shaping help keep prints sharp and reduce ringing even with more complex geometries. And because it runs on open-source firmware, you get frequent updates and tons of helpful tweaks from a massive user community. It also works with a wide range of slicers and materials, giving you more control over your prints. There are a couple of trade-offs, though. The MAMU3 setup isn't exactly plug and play. It takes some patience to install and calibrate. And while it's extremely consistent, it's not the fastest printer out there. Still, if you're a hobbyist who wants excellent multicolor prints and long-term reliability, or someone moving on from a basic Ender-style printer, this is a big step up. But if you're looking for something more compact and plug-and-play, the next pick checks those boxes. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is proof that you don't need a huge printer to get serious multicolor results. Compact and packed with smart features, it's a solid pick for beginners or anyone looking for a smaller second printer that doesn't skip out on quality. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, it's perfect for miniatures, toys, accessories, and most everyday projects. One of the standout features is the AMS Lite, a simplified automatic material system that lets you load up to 4 different filaments for smooth color switching without any manual swaps mid-print. Despite its size, the A1 Mini prints at up to 500 millimeters per second and uses input shaping to keep costing and ringing down even at higher speeds. It also includes fully automatic bed leveling, which means no more guesswork trying to get the first layer to stick properly. A big win if you're new to 3D printing. The direct drive extruder handles flexible and tricky materials like TPU with ease, and the all-metal frame adds surprising stability and durability to the compact footprint. Of course, being smaller has its limits. This printer isn't meant for large format parts or bulkier builds. And if you want to monitor your prints remotely, you'll need to add the optional camera since it's not built in. Still, for beginners or anyone looking for fast setup, clean prints, and hassle-free color work, the A1 Mini Combo hits a sweet spot in both performance and price. But what if you want bigger prints and still want those multicolor capabilities? The next one scales it up. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is where size meets smart functionality without pushing your budget too far. It's a noticeable step up from smaller units, both in print volume and multicolor capabilities. With a build area of 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters, you have enough space to print larger parts like cosplay armor pieces, functional brackets, or even small batches of items in one go. This model can hit speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, and thanks to input shaping, your prints stay crisp and clean even at high speeds, a rare combination at this price. Its color combo system allows up to 4 filaments per print, and the automatic switching system makes multicolor jobs smoother and less hands-on. The 25-point auto mesh bed leveling ensures your first layers stick well without needing manual tweaking, which helps avoid print failures. Add to that a quiet operation mode and a flexible PEI-coated magnetic plate, and the overall printing experience feels streamlined from start to finish. On the flip side, its larger footprint might be too bulky for smaller desks or tight workspaces. And while the AMS-like system works well, it's not quite as refined as Bambu Lab's. Occasional retuning may be needed to keep it running smoothly. The Kobra 3 Combo is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, makers, or anyone upgrading from an older printer who wants bigger, multicolor prints without breaking the bank. It strikes a nice balance between build volume, features, and price. If you want pro-level results without diving into complex settings, our next pick is built just for that. Number 2. Bambu Lab X1 Series. The Bambu Lab X1 Series stands out as one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers you can get right now. Built with professionals and serious hobbyists in mind, it's designed to deliver top-tier results with minimal fuss. The build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters gives you plenty of room for large-scale projects or running small batches of prints, ideal for businesses or creators who print often. One of its biggest strengths is the LiDAR-assisted bed leveling system, which uses sensors and AI monitoring to automatically check your first layer and spot issues early. It's almost like having a second set of eyes on every print. The AMS system supports up to 4 filaments per unit, and you can stack additional modules if needed. That means seamless multicolor and multi-material prints without constant manual intervention. With a max speed of 500 millimeters per second and advanced input shaping, the X1 stays fast while still producing clean, accurate results. The built-in camera and remote app let you keep tabs on your prints from anywhere, which is a huge plus if you're running a print farm or working remotely. As you'd expect from a flagship model, it comes with features like power loss recovery, fire detection, and OTE firmware updates, all aimed at giving you a safer, smarter experience. There are a couple of caveats. The price is definitely on the higher side, which might not be worth it if you only print occasionally. And while the interface is clean, it can take a little time to get comfortable if you're brand new to 3D printing. Still, for regular users who want pro-grade multicolor prints with little hands-on work, the X1 series absolutely delivers. But if you want nearly the same performance without the top-tier price, this next one might surprise you. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. If you're looking for pro-level multicolor printing without paying top-tier prices, the Bambu Lab A1 Combo is probably the best balance of power, precision, and value you can get right now. It shares the same generous build volume as the X1, 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, so you're not sacrificing size for cost. The A1 Combo comes with Bambu's AMS system included, letting you print with up to 4 filaments in a single job. Whether you're layering colors for a figurine or combining flexible and rigid materials in one go, it handles the switch automatically. Speeds reach up to 500 millimeters per second, and with built-in input shaping, prints stay sharp and clean even at higher speeds. Fully automatic bed leveling takes care of one of the most frustrating parts of 3D printing, and the whisper mode keeps noise to a minimum. Perfect if you're printing at home or in shared spaces. Its direct drive extruder manages tough materials like TPU, ABS, and carbon-filled filaments with surprising precision, making it more than just a hobbyist tool. This printer really nails the sweet spot. It's fast, reliable, and doesn't require hours of tuning before you can get great results. The setup is quick, and most users are up and printing within minutes of opening the box. The only real trade-offs are the lack of built-in AI features from the X1 and the absence of a camera, though that can be added if needed. For everyday users who want a smart, colorful printer that doesn't get in the way, the A1 Combo checks nearly every box. Let's wrap this up and figure out which one's right for you. So whether you're just getting into 3D printing or you're ready to upgrade to something faster and more colorful, one of these 6 printers should fit your needs, combining speed, reliability, and multicolor capability without the usual headaches. If this video helped you narrow things down, hit that like button and let us know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. We're active down there and happy to help if you've got questions or need advice choosing the right model. More helpful buyer guides like this are on the way, so make sure to subscribe if you want to make smarter choices without wasting time or money. And don't forget, links to all the printers we talked about, along with current pricing, are right below in the description.